Hey guys, it's Matt with Railfan Depot. I'm in Sardinia, Ohio at the old Y. Used to be a Y here in Sardinia. It's long since gone, but Cincinnati Eastern Railroad has 3 or 4 of the old B36-7s they don't use here any longer, and then an old Southern Switcher unit. There's 2 of the B36-7s there, green and blue. And there's a gray one there. Got a few videos of those in our arsenal here if you want to check them out. There's one of the old units there. Got a few videos of those again. Got a playlist for Cincinnati Eastern Railroad you can go check out. But got a train coming down the line here. Pretty nice little train size for the old Peavine Line. You don't see them like this very often anymore. Passing through Sardinia, Ohio. Thanks for watching, guys. If you would, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, as always. I appreciate each and every one of you. Got a little bonus footage for you. Down here in Mount Orb, Ohio, just a little ways down the line. Checking out the old station and the old caboose that unfortunately is really falling apart. Yeah, the old caboose definitely needs some loving. It's falling apart. The roof's caved in on it in parts. Needs a good paint job too, unfortunately. Always loved this old sign here. The Norfolk and Western Peavine Line runs from eastern Cincinnati out to West Portsmouth. But the Powhatan Arrow, Norfolk and Western 611Js used to run down the line here with the Powhatan Arrow. Always thought that was cool, that sign. Yeah, that's sad to see it just rotting away. The whole roof is just caved in, basically. Looks like these tracks were laid in 1956. For those who aren't familiar with the Peavine Line, those hoppers are coming from Winchester Ag, Winchester, Ohio. The hoppers there with the rock in it are coming from Plum Run Road out there at Hanson Rock. The tankers and the flat cars are just storage out here on the Peavine. And those gondolas at the beginning of the train were coming from Macon, Ohio. There's a recycling plant out there. As always, appreciate you guys. Was able to get a little bonus footage here. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you would. Thanks, guys.